Hello, welcome to this video of this absolutely immaculate Audi A4 2-litre TDI convertible. It's the S-Line version as well. Only 42,000 miles, 2 former keepers, full service history. Timing belt and water pump has been changed in 2021, about 4,000 miles ago. So a very, in fact, the cleanest one we've seen. I remember I sold one of these on an 09 about 6 years ago, and I sold it for about 10 grand. I remember it done about 60,000 miles, and this is cleaner. So 6 years later, got one here. It's cleaner than the one I sold 6 years ago. Right, let's start on the bodywork. There's nothing to report. Absolutely immaculate condition. All the paintwork is the same shade, no suspect paintwork anywhere. All the alloys are immaculate. It's got 4 branded tyres, Bridgestones and Michelin tyres. S-Line, as you can see. No stone chips on the bonnet. All the plastics are clear. All the grills immaculate. There's no cracks or flaky chrome off the grill. There's no cracked lower fog lights. They're all immaculate. There's no rust on the wings. Obviously at this age you've got to be careful. There's no rust on the wings at all. Stone tyres, alloy wheels, the brake disc as well. Very good. Even down here, look, there's no rust developing at all on those arches at the bottom there. No tar spots. And we haven't even machine buffed this one, polished this one. It's coming like this. And it is immaculate, so it needed no preparation really, apart from just a wash, and that's it. So we balloted it. All the edge of the wing mirrors immaculate, no cracked mirror glasses, nothing like that. All this is nice and clean up here. The leather is absolutely immaculate as well. You can see back seats don't even look like they've been sat in, and the like I say, these magazine holders at the back absolutely never been used. All nice and tight, no dirty scuffs anywhere from anyone's shoes. Rear arches absolutely immaculate as well. No signs of any damage from the gate post or anything like that. That rear alloy immaculate. It's a Michelin tyre. No scuffs on the corners of the bumpers. Look at the tailpipes. We haven't even cleaned those. That's how they are. So the tailpipes, twin tailpipes, immaculate. Got the reverse parking sensors. The lights are clear. No condensation, no cracks. All the badge, even in the badge there, look, there's no dirt inside the centre of the badges. That's how clean it is. And there's no green moss growing in that brake light there. A bit of water there. Boot lid, immaculate. That light there, immaculate. Inside the fuel cap, or flap should we say. Look how clean that is. No evidence of any paintwork, as in any poor masking or overspray anywhere. That wheel arch, again immaculate. That alloy wheel, very clean. Up here as well, that's all nice and clean. Windscreen is the original Audi windscreen. You see there the Audi logo. It's very clean. I can't see any cracks. I can't see any chips. So very nice. And then it's also got the Bosch wipers as well. It's the rubber Bosch wipers. Now in the boot, we've got the hood down, of course. In the boot we've got the wind deflector which is in that bag there. So that's the wind deflector. We've also got a tailor-fitted car cover there as well. So that's a car cover. All this is immaculate in here. Look, there's no dirt anywhere. There's nothing, no leaky oil bottles anywhere. It's all immaculate. Let me just lift this out. So lift this out. I'm going to pull the car cover out as well. I've shown the photos of this wind deflector and car cover as well. So under here you can see that's immaculate. And then inside you've got a full-size spare alloy wheel, and the toolkit is in there as well. Let's have a look at the in here, see if I can see the locking wheel nut. Right, yeah, it's there. The locking wheel nut is in there. I've just seen it. You see that? There we go. That's the locking wheel nut. So that's where it is. So it's all present. Put this cover back. It's a waterproof cover as well, so it's inside or outside use. Right, let's lift this wind deflector up. Obviously, you know that this is the lever to pull. You pull that, and then that flap there goes up when the hood is up. Of course, I can't do it now because the hood's inside there. So it gives you more height room to get anything larger in the boot. Okay, all the shuts here are all nice and clean. Look around here, warning triangle, and all this is immaculate. All up here as well, so there's no rust developing anywhere. And down here on that bumper edge, absolutely immaculate. Okay, a little grab handle here to pull the boot lid down. Let's go to the inside. Back seats, very clean. Even got this the brushed aluminium effect garnish there. It's immaculate. Same there for the bin, immaculate, totally unmarked. And then let me just spin the camera around. All that there is immaculate as well. Open the driver's door. Notice. All the door is immaculate. All the brushed aluminium there is all nice and clean, so no key ring marks or ring marks on that garnish there, that door trim. 4 electric windows, electric wing mirrors, central locking button. Down here you've got your alarm motion sensor on and off, so when the roof's down you can put the alarm on and switch the motion sensors off. The door shuts are all immaculate. Pedals are all immaculate. The carpet as well. It's even got this storage there as well, so extra storage space. Electric lumbar support for the front seats, and height adjustment as well for both front seats. The side airbags, and the sport style, Recaro style seats as well. All the door shut there is immaculate. Let's get inside. Just show you the dash there, the steering wheel, immaculate. It's got the S-Line logo there, and it's still got the red stitching on the inside. You can see, so it's not dirty or frayed off. It's all there. The multifunctional steering wheel button. Up here you've got the storage there. Press that little bit of storage there. You can put your phone inside there, or anything you wish that fits in there. Then you've got the single drinks holder there. Then you've got your Audi concert stereo system there. It's Audi concert, so it's a CD player. And then down here you've got your climate control. So you've got your dual zone temperatures, of course. And then down here you've got your heated front seats. Each front seat has got up to, are you ready, 6 heat settings. Okay, 6 heat settings there. What else have you got? You've got an aux cable there, which has been added on by one of the owners, previous owners, because they were an aftermarket extra, which go into the back, so that will go into your phone to play the music. Then here you've got an ashtray or coin tray there, which doesn't look like it's ever been used. 6-speed gear lever, a very short gear lever, if you can see, very short shift, so very sporty. And then down here you've got the electric roof button and the cigarette lighter and 12 volt there. A little bit more of a coin tray there, and then you've got this adjustable leather armrest, which is immaculate, may I say. No wear and tear on that, and it lifts up perfectly as well and clips on perfectly, so it's not broken. Lifts up like that, so it's all nice and clean. Lockable glove box, which is very important when you've got a convertible. You've got your little computer switches there as well, your modes, etc. You've got the date and time. You've got your miles per hour, last trip. You've got your temperature gauge. Your 42,238 miles, and then quarter tank of fuel, and your servicing checks. Let's press this spanner light there, and it'll tell you that's what we've got now to next service. So 363 days to service. So service a couple of days ago. Light switch there. 2 keys, 2 remote central locking keys as well. And that's it for the inside. So I'm going to switch the engine off now. Oh, let's check out this side. We've got all this leather here, it's nice and clean on this side. Going to look at the documents. We've got loads of documents, as you can expect. Got the V5 there, and the V5, 2 former keepers. Then we've got the servicing receipts here, look. So at 39,000 miles, it was serviced. Then there's another one. Oh, that's the MOT. So that's the MOT, expires 12th of the 8th 2024. No advisories. Some service part receipts here as well. Some previous MOTs. Another one here. Replace front brake disc and pads. That was 2021. That's the other MOT. And then here, what we've got here, some more receipts for the service parts as well. Some tyres here as well. And then let's have a look at the service booklet. Got a service booklet here. And we've got to stamp it, haven't we? So we've just serviced it. Have we stamped it? Let's have a look. 39. No, we've not stamped it. So we've got here. Right, okay, so let's start from the beginning. The beginning would be 8,900 miles, Audi dealer. Then the next one would be 14,300 miles, Audi dealer again. 19,000 miles, Audi dealer. Then we've got Halford's Auto Centres at 22,000 miles. Didn't do many miles that year, look, 19.3 to 22.8. So hardly done any miles, but obviously you've got to have it serviced. I think these may be 2-year service intervals, you know, possibly. Right, what we got here, 29, so 22 to 29, Halfords again. Then this one, is it Graham Fawnley Sports Car Centre, Stockport. That was a major service with the tooth belt, which is the cam belt plus water pump, at 36,000 miles. That was in 2021. Then again, Graham Fawnley Sports Car Centre, Stockport near Manchester. Well, look at the mileage there, look, 36,425, 37,40. It's done 1,000 miles. 1,000 miles there, and it's been serviced. So, oh, wait a minute, no, hang on. Oh yes, it has been serviced. Oil change. Strange. Okay, so he serviced it twice. And then we've got this one here at 39, and then we've just serviced it. That was 2022 in 20. Oh, wait a minute, can't read that date there, but it looks like 23rd of the 7th 2022. So we've got to put our little stamp in there, and that's that. So it's got full service history. Obviously you can hear the engine, it's very quiet. Pop the bonnet and show you under there. Take the switch the ignition off. So 2-litre TDI, bright red antifreeze. It's got some screen washing there, which is the blue colour. All this is very clean, nothing out of the ordinary, no broken clips for the lights or anything like that, and no nuts and bolts missing. Obviously this car is HPI clear as well, so it's got no record of it being in an insurance claim or accident. I always like to see what battery we've got in here. Let me pull this battery cover off. Ah, okay, we've got the Japanese one. 5-year guarantee. That's good. I think that's the correct 80 AH starting power. Okay. To be fair, I'm surprised that battery cover is there, because 9 times out of 10 on this model A4, that battery cover is missing. So I'm surprised it is there, so that's good. So it's all there, 2 keys, all the book pack handbooks, service invoices, service booklet. Right, okay, this vehicle, 2008, it possibly can do on finance, but it won't be like a 5-year term. It'll be probably a 3 or even 2-year term because of the age. Obviously the car is immaculate. I don't think there's another one on the market with such low mileage in this condition. Low mileage, low owners, a very nice car. Obviously we do offer part exchange, so if you've got a part exchange, please let us know the reg number and mileage, and we can give you a quotation. And we do nationwide delivery service as well, so we can deliver this to your doorstep. And it also includes a 1-year warranty, and this is the better warranty, which is called the Plan 2 Level 2 cover. So it does cover most of the major components as well at a Audi specialist garage nearest to your location, so you don't have to bring it back to us. Okay, so any more questions, please drop us a line, and hope you enjoyed the video, and hope to see you soon. Thank you.